Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar dropped 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 6.8% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Global benchmark Brent crude tumbled $7 to below $100 a barrel on a strengthening dollar, demand sapping COVID-19 curbs in top crude importer China, and rising fears of a global economic slowdown. Global equities faltered, oil fell, and the euro inched closer to parity with the safe haven dollar as the prospect of further tightening by central banks, renewed COVID outbreaks in China, and Europe's energy shortages spooked investors. The Financial Stability Board, which includes central bankers and treasury officials from G20 countries, is working on bringing global cryptocurrency regulations to the industry by October. Such regulations have become a necessity due to the recent collapse of the cryptocurrency market, which led to the loss of billions of dollars.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index core will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 0900 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.